Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here that is about sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cosine x. So I will put this one goal here. So we have 4 sine s squared cosine s squared. Now number 4 I will put outside. Cosine s squared and cosine s to the power of 4 we can put into cosine s to the power of 6 because number 2 plus number 4 we have number 6. I will put the s in here. Next we have the formula sine s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. Now I will put this one goal here. So sine s squared divided by sine s squared cosine s squared divided by cosine s to the power of 6. And now we have like this. Next, so number 1 we change by this one and we repeat again. And this one we change by sine s squared cosine s squared. So I will put this one divided by this one cosine s squared divided by cosine s squared. So this one we can change by secant of s to the power of 6 because we have secant of s equals to 1 over cosine s. So we need to change by secant of s to the power of 6, secant of s to the power over of 4, secant of s to the power of number 2, and the next one. So this one we have cosecant of s squared. Next, this one and this one we can do about factorization. So the integration of secant of s where we have tan s. This one we have negative costan s. So we can put like this. Now we just concentrate about this one only. So this one I can put into secant of s squared and secant of s squared. Next, we have the formula 1 plus tan s squared equals to secant of s squared. Now we go back in here. So this one we change by this one. And this one we change by this one. So 1 plus 1 is about number 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to secant of s squared ds. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. Secant of s squared ds we change by du. Next, we need to expand this one. This one we have 3u squared. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. So for example, we have number 2. So we change n equals to number 2. 2 plus 1, we have number 3. Number 4 with number 1, we have number 5. About u, that is about tan s. Now we combine the answer in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. You can simplify by yourself in here with tan s and 2 tan s in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.